How to analyze quantitative data. First, you correctly use your source map and set up your collection schedule. And of course, you already have your hypothesis. Quantitative data is meant for rational discussions. After all, you can't argue with numbers, right? As long as they are well done, of course. Therefore, make sure you collected and looked at all the data sources, because someone might bring up a number you didn't look at and break your quantitative conclusions. Properly record the source used and the timeline considered. In other words, your assumptions. They must be the same for all data collection. Meaning, it's no use taking profit from 3 years ago and revenue and expenses from 1 year ago to project trends. You have to take the same period. And it's also no use projecting market growth for 5 years and your company's growth over 10 years. The comparison for any quantitative analysis must be the same. And use qualitative data to support your analysis and justify your conclusions about quantitative information. Use charts to make it easier to understand the analysis you did from quantitative data. Bar charts, percentage, pie charts, matrices, etc. There are plenty of options, and you can use AI tools to get ideas, but always choose the one where in 30 seconds the person gets your analysis. Your quantitative data shouldn't take more than 30 seconds just for someone to figure out what or how they are supposed to read your quantitative data or charts. In an ideal world, your quantitative data and analysis should be closely linked to qualitative analysis and have comparisons. For example, is a 10% growth a lot? If the market you operate is growing at 20%, of course it's not. Is 5% a good ROI? It depends on the ROI of other areas, other projects, or other companies, and on what your qualitative analysis justifies this 5% in this example. No more. For more details and other examples, check out Perspectives 33b.